Alright, Chantel. Chantel is going to explain to us where n squared plus 2n plus 2 is, and she's going to use design 5. You can use any design, right? Alright, Chantel.
N squared is the original box.
The red box?
Yeah, I like
Okay.
that. 2n is the 5 on each side. Yeah.
5 on each side?
Yeah.
So there's 2 of them. Uh-huh.
And then plus 2 is the 2 extras, the exits.
Good job. Yeah, right here. So the n plus 2 is n. And then this is plus 1, and this is plus 2. Do you know where the n is? This side of the box, which is our n design number is 3, so we have 3 here. And where's the plus 2? That's the entrance and the exit. So in this problem, it's n times n plus 2. So it's kind of like the area, right? n is 3, and this one is 3 plus 2. So if I multiply that, I get all of that on the inside and then the 2 endpoints. Good job, Josh. So let me go and explain to you guys how to see them. This is probably the most difficult part. Second most difficult part. And then the most difficult part is actually for you to create these. Okay? So let me explain number 4. And this expression can be used for any of these designs, but I'll just use design number 4. I'll try to use my highlighter so you can see it. This one says n plus 2. Remember, the hint is that the design number is equal to n. So where do you get n plus 2 from? Here is n in my yellow. And then the plus 2 comes from going 1 extra length and 1 extra length. N plus 2 squared means it's a really big square. So n plus n is the length of, this is 4 boxes, and that's 4 boxes, and then that's 1. And this is also n plus 2. So if you multiply n plus 2 times n plus 2, you have n plus 2 squared. Then this one says subtract or take away. Well, if you notice in our design, the n plus 1 is right here. This is the n, and this is the plus 1. So this is the length of n plus 1, this empty space. And then this is also n plus 1 in that area. So you're subtracting those two, and that's how you get that expression. Let me try the 5th one. Now, don't think number 4 matches up with number 4. All of these can actually be applied to each of the pictures. I just chose to work on this one. Let me show you this 5th expression. Let me show you how it applies to this one. Again, if you have different colors, it's very helpful. The first one is n plus 2. Or sorry, n squared. N squared is just the big one in the middle. Because 5 is equal to what letter class? N. So this is really n times n, that gives you n squared. Okay? Where does the 2 n plus 2's come from? This is the length of n, which is just 5 boxes, and then you're going to add 1 at the end. So this is n plus 1, and now this is n plus 2. And you actually have 2 of them. So here's n, here's 1, and that's 2. So that is 2 times n plus 2. But if you saw what we did there, we went too far. So the subtracting of 2 represents this box and this box. That's not needed on ours, so you would subtract it.